The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flood advisory for poor drainage areas for southern Jack County, Palo, Pinto County, northwestern Parker County, until 7:30 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall. Areas that are low-lying or poor drainage areas will experience minor flooding in the advisory area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mineral Wells, Grayford, Mineral Wells State Park, Possum Kingdom State Park, and Strawn. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area, which will result in minor flooding. A flood advisory means river or stream flows are elevated, or ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.